SHL Pharma is the latest addition to the vast and vertically integrated network of SHL Group, focused on boutique contract manufacturing services, including assembly, labeling, and packaging of our SHL design devices. The physical site in Deerfield Beach, Florida is 45,000 square feet, and this regulatory approved space also houses our analytical sciences group, which is ultimately responsible for test method development, test method transfer, container closure integrity testing, and stability, to name a few things. For our customers, this translates into full turnkey solution, ultimately from device design and development through to clinical and commercial assembly, labeling, and packaging, reducing timelines to clinic, to market, and most importantly, to those patients in need.